Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Charles at Weeldi. Today I will demo you how to use a context during your automation to restrict an area to interact with. So here you have the Bitcoin US dollar value of the day, and as you can see, you have a lot of figures. If you want to interact with this website, you want to be sure that you will grab the correct value from the correct location zone on the screen. So here I want to interact only with the bottom right part of this website describing the BTC USD value in real time. So I will right click on the zone, choose from the Weeldi Recorder context menu the Add Context outline here. And as you can see, while I'm moving my mouse, I can select a zone to interact with. So either with the mouse here, which is good, or you can use your keyboard to select larger. For instance, if I do a tab, I'm enlarging the zone, and I can hit enter to validate the zone. And then I will work only with this part for the rest of the recording, up to the time I will click here to stop this context. That's a pretty useful tool. Thank you. Bye.